guys, Danny here, back with another video. Today we're going to see what are inside of these Morning Glories sparklers from TNT. So let's get into it. So, you guys might be thinking, oh, is it copyright? Because I'm basically copying what's inside. But I was actually pretty much interested as what's inside these. So let's get into it. So let me open one and let me see. Now I'm using my iPad because here's my phone does not have enough storage. But so we basically almost open it. So basically I just read the paper. So we have this stick, and as you can see, a little bit of gunpowder, and then this here's just the stick. So I'm gonna just try to rip the stick a little bit. I just rip the stick out of the paper because it's like glued on. So let's get into it. Basically, three things. First, there's a little bit of gunpowder sneaks into the paper, and the stick is get in. The sticks get in. So I think the end. So basically, the end of the stick is like pinkish kind of. So basically, it's red. You can tell, but without the paper, all of this is a normal red stick. So later on, I'm like one of these sparklers, or both of them, and then light this little stick. So I'll be back with the video of lighting the stick. Already did one. So let's go light the other one. So I already have it down here. You like that one? Because basically, I a little bit more. And that was a cloud. What's her name? Can you put that in? So let me throw them in the way. So that was interesting. So thanks for watching and see you later. Peace.